Namaskar. Welcome to my channel called Yoga 9. My name is Gunija. Now we are going to practice neck press and release exercise. This practice is very good for the cervical, headache and vertigo. For this practice, sit straight. Keep your right palm on the right side of the head like this. While inhaling, press your palm and the head each other. Feel the pressure on your neck. Then exhaling, release the pressure. Inhale, press. Exhaling, release. Inhaling, press. Exhale, release. Do it 3 to 5 rounds. Now do from the other side. Same practice. Inhaling, press your palm and the head each other. Exhale, release the pressure. Inhale, press. Exhale, release. Inhaling, press. Exhale, release. 3 to 5 rounds. Now from the back side. Interlock the fingers and keep your palms on the back side of your head. Same practice. While inhaling, press your palm and the head each other. Feel the pressure on your neck. Then exhaling, release. Inhaling, press. Exhale, release. Inhaling, press. Exhale, release. Now the last variation, forehead. Keep your right palm on your forehead. Same practice, inhaling, press your palm and the forehead each other. Then exhale, release the pressure. Inhaling, press. Exhale, release. Inhale, press. Exhale, release. Do this practice regularly, twice a day. It will be more beneficial for you. Thank you very much. Namaste.